If you want to change between different graphics cards in your laptop or PC, the first thing you need to do is go to your Windows logo over here and look for Device Manager. And once you open that up, you will find this screen over here. Then you can navigate to the display adapters and you can see all your graphics cards that are installed on your PC. In my case, I have the basic graphics card from Intel, and this is usually only useful for basic stuff like browsing on the internet, watching YouTube videos, stuff like that. But if you are going to require more performance, it's advised to use a better graphics card. And you can see it over here. So I have the Radeon Pro card. I will enable this device. It takes a while. And after that you can see it's installed now and enabled. So you can close this window. The next step you do is right click on desktop, go to the display settings, scroll all the way down to graphic settings. And over here you can see that I already changed a specific plan for, in this case, this 3D CAD program on which it will run on high performance. So if you want to select your own application, go to Browse and search for a specific shortcut of that software, go to Options, and then you can select which graphic card you want to use. So in the case of power saving, you use the Intel basic graphics card. However, if you want to run on high performance, it will use the better GPU that you just enabled. If you find this useful, make sure to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.